Toyota Highlander EV details. The 2027 Toyota Highlander EV Toyota pehli fully electric 3-row family SUV high is a modern EV styling, long driving range, or luxury tech interior dia gaya high. Toyota USA Newsroom +1 Battery and range 77.0 kWh battery, base model. 95.8 kWh battery, long range AWD. Maximum range, around 320 miles, 515 kilometers. Fast charging support with NACS charging port, Tesla supercharger compatible. Toyota USA Newsroom +2 Performance FWD version, 221 horsepower. AWD dual motor version, 338 horsepower. Instant EV torque for fast acceleration. Multi-terrain select or crawl control AWD models main available. Toyota USA Newsroom +1 Exterior design. Full-width LED daytime running lights. Flush door handles. Aerodynamic sporty body. Large wheels or wide stance. Hammerhead, Toyota front design language. Motor1.com +1 Interior details. 14-inch touchscreen infotainment. 12.3-inch digital driver display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting with multiple colors. Panoramic glass roof. Seating up to 7 passengers. Heated and ventilated seats. USB-C charging in all rows. Toyota USA Newsroom +2 Cargo and family features. Flat folding third row. Over 45 cubic feet cargo space. 18 cup holders. Quiet cabin with acoustic glass. Vehicle to load, V2L, power feature for external devices. Toyota USA Newsroom +1 Safety and technology. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 Advanced driver assistance. 5G connectivity. JBL premium audio option. Digital navigation display. Car and Driver +1 Launch. Production in Kentucky, USA. Sales expected late 2026/early 2027. Expected rivals. Kia EV9. Hyundai Ioniq 9. Volvo EX90. Car and Driver +1 Video more Toyota Highlander EV details. The 2027 Toyota Highlander EV. Toyota Sabs advanced family electric SUVs main SEX high. Fully electric 3-row SUV specially long trips. Luxury comfort or smart technology Kulia design Ki Gai high. Motor1.com +1 Size and dimensions. Length, around 198.8 inches. Wider body for more cabin space. Longer wheelbase for better legroom. Lower aerodynamic roofline for efficiency. Reddit +1 Electric motor system. FWD model. Single electric motor. 221 horsepower. Smooth city driving. Better efficiency. AWD dual motor model. 338 horsepower. Faster acceleration. Better traction on rain/snow. Strong instant EV torque. Motor1.com +1 Battery charging details. DC fast charging support. 10% to 80% charging in around 30 minutes. Tesla supercharger compatible through NACS port. Home charging support. Battery preconditioning for faster charging in winter. Motor Trend +1 LED and lighting details. Full-width LED daytime running lights. Slim hammerhead LED headlights. Sequential rear LED tail lights. 64-color ambient interior lighting. Toyota Highlander EV interior details. The 2027 Toyota Highlander EV car interior. Modern luxury or family comfort Dono KO combine car to high. Cabin Toyota quiet, spacious or high-tech Benai Gai high. Toyota NE EV platform Ki Waja SE flat floor or open cabin design Dia high. Motor Trend Plus 1. Dashboard and screens. Large 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system. 12.3-inch digital driver display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Fast Toyota multimedia software. Navigation full screen mode. Physical volume knob Dia Gaia high easy control Kalia. Motor Trend Plus 1. Ambient lighting and cabin feel. 64 color customizable ambient lighting. Soft touch dashboard materials. Suede lined wireless charging area. Premium luxury feel similar to Lexus models. Very quiet cabin with extra sound insulation. Motor Trend Plus 2. Seats and comfort. Standard Softex premium seats. Heated front seats standard. Ventilated front seats on higher trims. Heated second row seats available. Captain chairs standard. Optional 7-seat bench configuration. Extra legroom because of longer wheelbase. Motor Trend Plus 1. Panoramic roof. Large panoramic fixed glass roof. Toyota Key Sabs Batty panoramic roof. Cabin KO Toyota open or airy feel Dedi high. Motor Trend Plus 1. Storage and utility. Dual wireless phone chargers. 18 cup holders. Large center console storage. Hidden lower storage compartment. USB-C ports in all 3 rows. Flat folding third row. More than 45 cubic feet cargo space. Motor Trend Plus 2. Third row details. Comfortable third row seating. Rear USB-C charging ports. Rear cup holders and storage slots. Easy flat fold lever system. Family-focused spacious design. Motor Trend Plus 1. Sound system and quietness. Standard 6-speaker audio system. Optional JBL premium sound system. Acoustic glass on front windows. Extra noise-absorbing materials. EV drivetrain Ki Waja SE cabin coffee silent high. Motor Trend Plus 1. Premium features. Head-up display, limited trim. Lexus-style electronic door latches. Wireless connectivity. OTA software updates. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 Tech Suite. Motor Trend Plus 2. Video more Toyota Highlander EV interior details. The 2027 Toyota Highlander EV car cabin. Toyota Capurain Highlander SE Coffee Toyota futuristic or premium Benaya Gaia high. EV platform Ki Waja SE floor flatter high or cabin Toyota open field Dita high. Toyota NE Lexus style comfort or family practicality Dono combine Kai Hain. Motor Trend Plus 1.